Hey guys, this is David, and today I'm reviewing the Casstrom, or Casstrom, I'm sorry, it's Casstrom, the Casstrom Dangler D Ring Carabiner here. This is an antique brass. It's really nice. It's really well made. It's very heavy duty, but I do have some complaints about this. But they're not really massive complaints. It's just my personal preference. But the reason why I got this was because a few weeks ago, my girlfriend got me this. This is the, well, it was just the sheath and this knife here. This is the SE6 group buy. It's exclusive to foreign members, but I think it might be available to everyone at this point. But this is how the knife or the sheath came. I wanted to turn into a dangler, so I did that there. But I really like danglers. I don't know about you guys. If you guys like danglers, let me know below. If you don't, let me know. But for me, I think it's probably the best way to carry a knife, because when you have, I've carried some really heavy knives. I've carried a kukri on my hip that was a dangler, and I thought it would really weigh me down, but it didn't. So the reason why I like danglers is because while it's riding on your belt, right, when you're walking up and down or over rocks or whatnot, gravity would want to pull the knife in different directions. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's here. Right. So now with the dangler, it just freely flows. It's not tugging on your belt in every different direction. If it was like solid, right? If gravity wanted to pull it forward, it's going to tug at your belt this way. And then if gravity were to pull it back, pull the knife backwards, it'll tug your knife or your belt forward, if that makes any sense. But when it's free flowing, it just, acts as its own counterweight. It just goes back and forth, and it's a really easy way to carry something heavy on the side of your hip. I don't know if that made any sense, but I hope you guys get the point. So I was looking at D-rings, and so I got the Casstrom, and while I was waiting for the Casstrom, I went to Home Depot and I saw this. So this is just a really basic D-ring. This is, I think, it was like $1.50. There's a split right here, and with some pliers you could separate it, and that's what I did here, and I inserted this. And this is just I just made this. This is really quick. This is a homemade belt, I don't know, attachment, I would call it. I added some buttons there. But so the reason why I wanted to make this video is if you guys were trying to figure out if you wanted this or not, I'm going to mention some of the pros and the cons. So the pros, it's really well built. It's very durable. It's heavy duty. It looks beautiful. The brass is antique, has an antique finish. It's really nice. And since it's it has a clip here, you can put it on a bunch of different sheaths. So I got it here, which fits perfectly, and then on this one it fits perfectly, but this one, it really doesn't work. And I knew ahead of time. That's why I got these at Home Depot. And let's measure it here. So the inside width, and they mentioned this on the website, so I knew exactly what I was getting. Focus. Focus. So the belt loop has to be under 1.5 inches. It's like, I can't see through the camera here. Give me a second, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1 3/8. All right, 1 3/8, and you'll be good. So the question is, should I don't know if I want to keep this. Most likely I will, but I personally think it's better to have a non-detachable D-ring like this, right? And just make a couple of belt loops. That way, when it's riding on your belt, when you don't need the knife anymore, you just detach this, take the whole thing and put it away, right? But with the detachable carabiner, when you detach your knife, the belt loop will still be on your belt. And obviously some of you guys wouldn't mind having this on your belt. But personally for me, I just rather have the whole thing off. After a long hike, I just want to, usually I take off my shoes, change my shirt, or I just want to be really comfortable, take off all the extra weight right away. So for me, I think I'm going to go this route. I'm going to go with I guess it's semi-permanent D-ring on the sheath itself, and just make detachable belt holders, belt clips. I don't know what you would call them. Sorry, this video is so disorganized, guys. I just wanted to come up here real quick and just give you guys some information. But yeah, so this is, I think I bought this for $12. It looks really nice. I mean, on this is the sheath for my Moore Garberg. It looks really nice, right? It looks a lot nicer than these Home Depot D-rings. So that's it. I mean, if you guys like something really heavy duty, something really beautiful, go for this Casstrom D Ring Carabiner. The only thing is you have to make sure that the width of the belt loops will fit. So it's like a 1 3/8 or under. Right. So with this one, if you got bigger ones, I would recommend going to Home Depot or Lowe's or a hardware store. This is the inside diameter or distance here is more than 1.5 inches. And like I said, I prefer detachable belt loops, but to each their own. All right, guys, that's it for this video. It's just a real quick video. I'll see you guys in another one later.